Hello student, Hemant sir is here. I am welcoming you to our online channel. Today we are going to understand about the pH scale to determine whether the given substance are acid, base or salt. So the basic concept behind this identification is the pH scale. What is pH scale? The pH represents the potence of hydrogen, or we can say the power of hydrogen, which is given by the Danish scientist called Sorensen. Sorensen has derived one scale to determine whether the given compounds are acidic, basic or neutral. That means this scale will going to make you understand about the nature of the substance, and it is proposed in 1909 1909 में. ठीक है. So we will understand about the pH scale. So pH scale represents the power of hydrogen. The power of hydrogen means we will understand about the H positive ion. H positive ion is nothing but the power of hydrogen which is present in the substances. So on the basis of the pH scale, there are three types of substances called acidic substance, basic substance and neutral substance. Neutral substances, basic substance and acidic substance. Let's understand the acidic substance. Like we have HCl, it is hydrochloric acid. It is hydrochloric acid. If we will dissociate, if we will dissolve this acid in water at a normal temperature means we have to consider 25 degrees Celsius temperature. It is the normal room temperature, guys. Okay, so when we will dissolve HCl in water at room temperature, then it dissociate to form the H positive ion. So the H positive ion of the acidic substance on water at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 into 10 to the power 0 mole per liter. It is 1 into 10 to the power 0 mole per liter. If we will see about the basic substance, like we have NaOH, it is NaOH. What is NaOH? It is sodium hydroxide. So if we will look on sodium hydroxide, when we dissociate on room temperature in water, then it produces or it forms 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 particles mole per liter. That much of mole per liter. If we will take a neutral substance like water, like we will take water means H2O. So if we will dissociate H2O at a room temperature, then it produces the H positive ion as 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. Mole per liter. Okay, so if we will look around us, there are different types of substance, but they are the acidic, basic or neutral. So they contain different amount of H positive ion on them. So we can say we have to draw the pH scale first. So the range of the substances, what is the range, for what range they have the H positive ion, or they produce H positive ion when they dissociate in water at a room temperature. So their ranges from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, so we can say 0 to 14. We will represent this pH scale as 0 to 14, and in between we have neutral substance called water. So if we will consider it, pH scale is 7. The pH scale is 7, that means it is the pure water. It do not, or it must not contain any impurity in water. That time we will say it is a pure water, and pure water dissociates at room temperature and produces 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 moles per liter of H positive ions. So on that basis we have to draw the pH scale now. So the range of pH value is 0 to 7 and 7 to 14. This is the range of power of hydrogen. So let's draw the pH scale. So this is the common type of pH scale. Here we have pH value 7, pH equals to 7. Here we have pH equals to 14, and here we have pH equals to 0. So we can say the pH value 7 is for neutral, like we have pure water, If the pH value, if we will move this side, then the value of pH decreases. That means from here to here we can say pH is less than 7. pH is less than 7 are called as acids, or the substance will be acidic in nature when the pH value is less than 7. Now if we will look here, the pH value is greater than 7. So greater than 7 means they are basic substances. So I hope you have understood what is the nature of substance which is acidic, basic or neutral on the basis of the pH scale. So what is pH? It is the power of hydrogen. That means when they dissolve in water, if we will dissociate them at a room temperature, they produces 1 into 10 to the power 0 mole per liter. In case of acid, they produces 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 moles per liter for NaOH, and at a room temperature, if we dissociate the neutral substance like water, they produces 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liters. Okay, so on that basis we can decide which are the substance or are acidic or base. So the pH value is up to 0, okay, near 0, or they are acid, but they are strong acid. Acids, and we have already understood what are strong acid. Those acid, when they dissolve in water, they dissociate or they dissolve completely, are called as strong acid. And acids were present here, they are called as weak acid. Likewise we have bases here are weak base, and bases at the last region are called as strong base. So do you know, it is a fact, our body is work in a pH scale is range from the pH value of our body is 7.35 to 7.45. So we have to write here the normal human body works at pH range between 7.35 to 7.45. On average we can say, for average we have to add and divide by 2, that means 7.4. So this is the normal pH level of our body, and our body works smoothly and works properly, functioning properly at the pH value of 7.4. So this is the pH value of human body. Okay, so we can say our body works in basic medium. Okay, so this is all about the acid, base and neutral. So neutral substance are the salt also. Salt, you know, that is we will consider as sodium chloride. So sodium and chloride, they do not have H positive ion. That's why we have not used over here, because we are talking about the H positive ion. So salt, they do not produce as H positive ion. That's why we have not mentioned salt here, but salts are neutral. Some salts are acidic and some salt are base also. So we will consider this, we will understand this later on, but today we had to understand completely about the pH scale, and this is very important part because most of the questions they are asked on the basis of the pH scale. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write from here, and you have to make notes on that basis so that you can understand and learn what are the acid, base and salt on the or neutral on the basis of the pH scale. So what is pH scale? Basically the pH scale, which indicates the power of hydrogen in a substance. On that basis we have three types of substance. First, neutral substance. What are neutral substance? Those substance they have pH value is 7, that is neutral substance. What are acidic substance? Those substance they have pH value less than 7 are called as acidic substance. What are basic substance? Those substance they have pH value more than 7 are called as basic substance. So this types of classification we have done on the basis of pH scale. So we have to write here, it is the pH scale. So this is all about pH scale. So what is the importance of pH in our daily life? See, we have already seen pH value is very important for the normal functioning of our body. That means our body works on the basis on the basic medium. That means we have pH value of our body is between 7.35 to 7.45. In an average we can say 7.4. You know, there are many biodegradable and biochemical processes they perform inside or outside the nature in our surrounding are depends on the basicity and acidity of the material. So if we will consider, there are the biodegradable substance, when they undergoes dissociation on soil, they need proper proportion of H positive ion and OH negative ion. In many biological process in plants also they require a proper proportion of H positive ion and OH negative ion for the normal functioning inside the body of the plant and in our body also. So we also need the proper proportion of H positive ion and OH negative ion. Water also undergoes dissociation and produces H positive ion and OH negative ion at a room temperature, and these ions are very important in their surroundings so that all the functioning of the nature for the life is required. So we can say this pH values is very important in our body as well as in our surrounding, because we need and our nature also needs the proper proportion of H positive ion and OH negative ion. Okay, so it is very important. So if we will see the water, when it dissociates like H2O, it is water. When it dissociates and it produces H positive ion and OH negative ion. So water is the substance which produces equal number of H positive ion and OH negative ion. So if we will consider, they are in same proportion. That means when OH negative ion and H positive ions are present in equal proportion, then the substance is called neutral substance. That's why we considered water is a neutral substance. water is the neutral substance. If the proportion of OH and H positive ion changes accordingly, then we will say let H positive ion are more than OH negative ion. मीन्स हाइड्रोजन पॉजिटिव आयन ज़्यादा होंगे और OH नेगेटिव आयन कम होंगे, देन द सब्सटेंस विल बी एसिडिक. If OH negative ion is greater than H positive ion, then the substance will be basic. If H positive ion are equals to OH negative ion are neutral. So on the basis of the number of or the proportion of H positive ion and OH negative ion, we can decide whether the substance are neutral, they are acidic or they are basic. So this is very important, and it is important in our life as well as the organism and plants they are around us. So pH is very very important for the normal functioning of बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस इन आवर नेचर. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो आपको करना क्या है, आपको ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें आपको एक नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करना है, सो दैट जब जब आपको टाइम मिले आप इनको वापस रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.